So again I am here with a new practical of HTML. So today we will learn hyperlink. So I'll be explaining what is hyperlink along with the along with its tag and how to use everything. Okay, so let's start.
Okay students, so today I will show you how to link pages. Fine. Now what is linking of pages or hyperlink? So first of all, instead of giving you the definition, let me show you what it is. Okay, suppose you can see here this format, HHH and image. These are the three practicals which we have done before. See this practical, then this is the next practical, yes, and then this is the third practical. Okay, so these are the practicals that we have done before. Now suppose I am opening here the first one, format. Okay, done. Now I want to go to my next practical. How I will move from this page to that page? So for that, what I need to do, I need to minimize or close this page, exit this page, then I have to again open the second page, isn't it? But hyperlink is a process of jumping from one page to another without closing the existing page. Okay, that is linking of pages. Fine. So I'll show you practically how we can link the pages so that you have a clear concept or idea about this. Fine. So what I will do, I will take on all these three practicals which we have done before, and I will modify this only, and I believe that you have also not deleted all these three practicals from your computer, because in this practical you will need all the three pages. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I will make a home page. So I will make another page which we will say as home page. Now students, I think that you know what is home page. It is the first page of a website. Okay, so we are going to create a website now, and this will be our home page, and with this home page we will connect all the other three pages we have done before. All right, so let's get started. So first of all, as you know that it starts with HTML, and after HTML, head, inside head, title. Okay, inside title we have to write the title of this page. So I'll be writing here home page. Okay, you can also write something else. So home page, my home page, I'll write my home page, my home page, and here I'll close head. You can close the head at last also before HTML. Done. Now I will give here body, and I will give here a color. So I'll be giving here let us give what? Orange. Okay, done. Now I will link all the pages with this home page. Okay, so first I need to give a introduction to my home page. Okay, so I'll be giving here heading. Okay, before that I want to make the heading in the center, so I'll be giving here center, and then I'll be giving here heading H1, and I'll give a introduction to my website or my home page, we can say. So I'll give here school. Okay, I'll give here school. Okay, or I shall give here HTML practicals. Okay, HTML practicals, HTML practicals. Okay, class, in bracket I'll write class 10. Fine, done. Now I will close the center because I need it to be applied only with the heading. So center I'll be closing here. Alright, now I will try to link all the pages with my home page. So for that I will give tag, angular bracket, then I will give A. Okay, students, the full form of A is anchor tag. Okay, and this tag is needed to link pages. Then I will write href. Okay, then I will give equal sign, and then I'll give double inverted comma. Fine. Now minimize this page and go to your first web page. This is my first web page. Right click there, go to properties and copy the location. Student, this is similar to how we have done the addition of or adding a picture into our HTML page, same thing, but here you have to take the location of your HTML page. Okay, then now click, just select the location, copy it, go back, okay, and paste it. Fine. Then you know front slash. After that again you go back to the properties, okay, then see the name of the HTML page, HHH. Okay, now close it, write the page HHH, then .html. Students, don't forget to give the extension. Okay, now double inverted comma, close. Done. Now close the angular bracket. Fine. Now this is very important, student. You have to write here something, okay, which will be appear in the body but in a link, as a link. Okay, so I'll be writing here practical 1, but I will need the font to be bigger. Okay, so what I will do, I will add here another tag, font, font font, and I'll give your size 6. Now I will write here the tag, the piece of text, so I'll write here practical 1. Fine. Now this practical 1, I want this font tag to be appeared in only practical 1. This font tag should be appeared only in practical 1, isn't it? So I'll be writing or closing here, but students, I'll do, it will be easy if I cut it from here and write it before. Okay, I'll write it before here. Okay, paste it. So it will be used for all the links. Getting me? Okay, now practical 1 written. Now I have to close the anchor tag. Again I am explaining this tag, students. A, it is anchor tag needed to link page. href means hyperlink reference, means the link where it will take the browser, to which page it will take the browser, that address it will contain. Okay, that is href. Then this tag will be closed. Then we have to write a piece of text that will appear in the web page or the browser but as a link. Okay, so that is practical 1. So making it done. Next, again similarly we have to connect or do all the pages. So I will do, you can copy paste. Okay, you can copy paste this, copy paste. Now here this you remove, go back to practical number 2, right click, go to properties, go to location. At the same time I am looking here the name image.html. okay, so go back, then paste it. Okay, front slash, then image it is image, capital letter image image dot html. Okay, instead of practical 1 now I want practical 2. Done. Next, again go back, paste it, because I need all the 3 pages to be there. Okay, here delete, go back to your third practical, image given, HHH given, format, properties, copy, format.html, go back, paste it, front slash, format.html. now this should be practical 3. Okay, done. Now we have to close this font, font, close body, close HTML. Done. Now let us save this page. Save as. Go to, I'll be saving in the desktop. I will give a name hyperlink. Done. I have not given .html, so if you will not give .html, there will be a problem. Okay, so hyperlink .html. Okay, see this one. So how I ask you to open? Go to properties, copy it, open the browser, go to address bar, paste it, / hyperlink .html. Done. Enter. See, okay, something is wrong, we need to correct it. So I told you how to correct it. Go back to your notepad. Okay, so first one, href dex.html practical 1a closed. After that we need to give here br. Okay, practical 1, practical 2 is not coming, so let us see why it is not coming. ahref, see users, here double inverted comma not given. So students, see, small things if we do not give, it will not come. Okay, again we need to give here a br because we need it to appear one by one. Okay, so again save it. Second time students, don't click on save as, click on save. Okay, now minimize it, go back to your web page, right click and reload or refresh. See, coming. Okay, so this is our home page. Now let us click on practical 1. Now students, as I told you, again I am showing you the coding. See, practical 1, practical 2, practical 3, these are only appearing in the browser. All these things are not appearing in the browser. So here instead of practical 1 you can write anything, click me, your name, anything which will be appear in the browser, but in the form of what? In the form of tag, link. So how you can say that it is a link? Links always will be highlighted in blue color and also underlined. Secondly, see the cursor of the mouse, it is an arrow. Whenever you will take the cursor above a link, it will change into a finger and a hand. Okay, so this is how you can identify whether it is a link or not. So these three are linked, but if you go here, it is not a link because it is not changing into finger or hand, or it is not highlighted with different colors. Fine. So this is hyperlink. So hyperlink are highlighted text which help us to jump from one page to another. Am I clear, students? Now let us check whether these links are working or not. So let us click on practical 1. See, we are directly jump to practical 1. We do not have to close and open practical 1. Directly we are here in practical 1. Okay, we can go back clicking on this arrow back. Again let us go to practical 2. See, I have joined here this practical, so it is coming here. Okay, next I'll be doing here. So I think so this background pictures will come. Okay, let me click. No, this is coming format. Okay, so this is practical 3. Fine. So like this you can jump from one page to another, use hyperlink. Now I'll give you a task. Okay students, the task will be that as I have linked with this home page all the 3 pages, you have to also link all these 3 pages with the home page. Am I clear to you all? Means once you go to practical 1, you will be linked here to practical 1. Then you also have to provide a link here where it will be written as home, and when you will click on that home tag, you will be reverted back to your home page. So like this you have to create hyperlinks in all the practicals you will link with your home page. Am I clear, students? So try that and let me know if you get any difficulties.
Okay students, I hope whatever I explained you have understood. Now you also try at home. You do as I told you, you have to connect the home page along with the other practicals, and then again other pages with the home page also. And if at any moment you face any problem, please let me know. I'll be there always to help you out. Okay, so for today I'm ending my class. Thank you.